Hi everyone, I'm here again with my co-host Vivian Hunt to talk about our next event in London, the Vitality Secret Workshop. As you're on this page, you understand already what the book is all about, so we're going to be really bringing to you a full understanding of the root cause of just about every common illness, every chronic disease and accelerated aging. Quite a claim, and it's true. It's pretty much the root cause of everything. So we're bringing this to you so you can learn how to heal your own body, become the healer of your own body, which I'm like on a massive mission to get out there. And Vivian has kindly decided to come on board. Vivian, can you explain what you're doing?
Okay.
Noisiest people in the history of the world.
So I'm going to be talking about rethinking stress. So previously we were looking at high performance and burnout, and this time it's really looking at rethinking how you look at stress and that it can be actually something helpful for you. And just by changing your mindset, you can actually start to improve your health. So
Yeah, that's a big thing. We're going to be looking at acute and chronic and seeing what the difference is and how it affects the immune system and all the chemicals in the body. It's a big thing. So come along, we're going to put a link below the page. It's on Tuesday the 31st of July at 6 p.m. at Planet Organic. This is a really cool thing where they're kind of sponsoring us to do this because it's totally in alignment with their whole business. So we're holding it at the offices of Planet Organic on Tottenham Court Road.
yeah, Tuesday 31st, 6
July.
o'clock.
So come along, we'd love to see you there. Tickets are
£10.
£10, virtually free, but we'd love a little commitment so we know how many people are coming.
Yeah, so bring your friends.
So, yeah, bring your friends. It's going to be good. It's going to be loaded with actionable information, and yeah, we'd love you to share this as well. So hit the link below this video. We'll post it shortly. It's an Eventbrite link, so you can get your tickets now. We expect to sell out,
Yeah, and you must have a ticket to come.
and you must have a ticket to come. So
Okay.
hit the link below this video. See you there.